how to enable Java Combat, Java PvP, Java Healing, and Java Saturation on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So this is a ton of different features that you can explore. For example, the attack cooldown, the attack indicator for the cooldown. You also have shields that you can use the same way on Java Edition. So if you're on PC, you don't have to crouch. You can now just hold down right click like you can on Java Edition to be able to use your shields. There's also a Java Edition healing. So if I eat, I will get healed really quickly, just like on Java Edition. It has the Java Saturation. There's a ton more features too. For example, sweeping edge. So you can attack multiple different mobs at once, just like you can on Java Edition. Obviously, different weapons will have different attack cooldowns, which you can use the attack indicator for. And there's also a bunch of other optional changes that you can enable from Java Edition mods. For example, being able to see your saturation and also your armor durability and other settings as well. So it's not only default Java PvP, but also optionally, you can enable some mod features from Java PvP as well using this. So first of all, to be able to change the settings of this, all you need to do is to go into chat and type / and then config, and it will bring up your settings menu. Now, I'll teach you how to enable the Java Combat and Java PvP on Bedrock for yourself, no matter if you're on Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, Pocket Edition, or PC in a second. But first of all, these are some of the different settings. So the Saturation HUD, obviously these are all explained underneath if you want to read them. The Armor Durability HUD, and then Shield HUD as well. Then the cooldown mode, you can change this to where the cooldown attack indicator shows, so it can be the hotbar, or it can also be a high contrast mode, or default, whatever you do want it to be. Then the offhand mode you can also change as well. There's a crosshair hit indicator, and you can change what your crosshair looks like as well if you want to. So that was HUD settings. There's also control settings as well, which allow you to control other features. For example, you can have the pose for the shield enabled or disabled, and you can make it so you switch items sneaking or using any of these other features as well. So you can make it the emote switches your items. You can make it so that's 5 times sneaking, 2 times sneaking, or you can have it set to none so that you can't sneak or use any other keybind to put stuff in your offhand. Now, I would show you this with PvP, but unfortunately I have no friends. However, I do know somebody uses this on a Minecraft Bedrock Edition realm, and it works fine for PvP as well and for multiplayer. So it's not just for survival, it can also be for multiplayer PvP or anything you want to use the Java Edition Combat and Healing for. After testing a few different options for Java Combat, this seems to be the best one available. So this is simply an add-on and a resource pack that you can download. It's called Blurry's Java PvP and is available on CurseForge and other download sites. If you're on Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch and you want to learn how to get this on your console, check out the video on screen.